Hello everyone, welcome to my channel delhitarot.com, and these are the monthly readings for the month of November 2020, and we are using the oracle cards, energy oracle, then we are using the animal spirit oracle, then we are also pulling out some divine messages from your divine angel cards and few tarot for the month of November. And we will be looking into the area of your career and finances. Then we will be pulling few cards for your love and relationship, and we will also see few stuff in your health for the month of November 2020 for the sun, moon and rising star of Aries. And let us see, cards are jumping out as usual, and we are ready. Let us see what is coming up in your career and finances and your love and relationships, your health. Two cards are coming together, so I'll take both the cards and let us see what is there in your career. This is a wonderful month, my dear Aries. If you can see, this is the Hermit card and this is the Sun card. So these are the two major arcana cards. That means you have a very big major energy coming in the month of November. Hermit says do not move, go for self introspection. Whatever you have done so far, have a look inside, and this is being confirmed by the Sun that you will have a big bright future. Whether it is your career, it is your job, it is your business, you are going to have a light. So far, if you felt that you are not getting the direction, you are not getting the light, there was confusion, nothing was movement, the Sun shows that there is definitely going to have a movement in your projects, in your business, in your career. If you are looking for a new opportunity, Sun gives a confirmation. If you are looking for a new project, it will definitely come. All the confusion will vanish, and you will definitely have a bright career and business in the month of November 2020. My dear friends, these are two major arcana cards. So expect major stuff happening in the month of November on the career and finance areas. If there was any blockage in the financial area, some money was blocked, some projects were blocked, so you will get a clear signal and it will be resolved soon. Now let us move towards your love and relationship in the month of November 2020. My dear friends, you have Page of Wands and you have Four of Swords. This shows that in your love and relationship, something was being struck. There was little less movement when you talk about your relationship with your partner, especially on the basis of communication. You have little blockages. So Page of Wands shows that either ways, if you are going to contact them or they are going to contact you, have a communication channel with them. And Four of Swords also shows that there were little less communication. So my dear friends, don't stress yourself. Try to communicate whenever there is any message from your partner, from your spouse. Have a fruitful relationship. Please work towards the communication. Have an open communication with your partner about your differences or gap in the relationship, and it is certainly going to help you. Now, let us see what your health is showing for the month of November. You again have Queen of Wands and Page of Cups. So, this shows things are little in your control. Go for a routine checkup, but otherwise the health area is pretty fine. Nothing to worry for the month of November. And try to work out, my guides are telling me, try to work out regularly. Try to have little bit of stress releasing or anxiety releasing exercises, especially in the month of November. My guides are telling me that you need those exercises, those breathing exercises, and definitely you'll see a positive impact on your health. Now let us pull few messages from your divine, and let us see. Meanwhile, may I request all of you, if you like it, please subscribe it, and if you subscribe it, please put on the notification. And I do read all my comments carefully. Please do mention how this reading resonates with you. I love to read all my comments. We are ready, and let us pull one card for your divine messages. Let us see what your divine has to say in the month of November. My dear friends, please take a picture of this card. It says, "You have got the power. Use your abilities to resolve this situation, and you can do it." What a positive card, what a positive affirmations, if you can see. And while this card is coming, it suggests that use your ability wisely, choose what is good for you, what is good for others. It should be a win-win situation, but it gives a confirmation that you have a power to choose, because you have an ability to choose the best for yourself. So go ahead, have a list according to your abilities and try it out for yourself. And let us pull your animal spirit guide card. We are using this oracle to pull the theme for the month of November 2020 for our friends Aries. Few friends were waiting for this reading for the month of November. My apologies. Generally, I posted latest by middle of this month. This time I was very busy with some personal readings and personal healings. We do take personal assignments. You can go to our website and can have your bookings if you want. And I'll also mention the URL of our website in the description box below. And we are ready with your November theme. Let us see what your animal spirit oracle has to tell you. Lovely. It says, "Hummingbird spirit, be here now." Can you please see the combination of these two divine messages? This says that you have the abilities, and this gives the confirmation to your power. And this says the time is now. This is the right time wherein you can use your power to materialize, to manifest whatever you want to have in your life, whether it is career, finances, love, relationship, any project. Just use this time to have the ability, just use this time to use those abilities to have a fruitful, manifested result of your own choice. And let us now pull the energies around you in the month of November, my dear friend Aries. And cards are falling as usual. If there is any query, you can definitely put it in the box. And let's see what your own energy. Now these are energy cards which gives the direction for your own aura. It is very important that your aura is cleaned. You give aura cleaning exercises to yourself. A clean aura fetch best of things in life. Let us request your angels, your spirit guides to guide us through your energy healing card. To let us know what your aura says. We are ready. Okay. Contract. This is a beautiful card. You will be approached by people to whom you have contacted in the recent past. My guides are telling me that things are going to get materialized whenever you are using your ability to the fullest. Contract says it could be either a short term or a long term contract. So be prepared with your papers, be prepared with your own terms and conditions when you talk about career, job, finances, any business proposal, any project. Have your own terms, see what is feasible for you, see what is right for you, and try to prepare a contract of your own choice. This shows that stuff is going on in your aura, and definitely when these cards are there in your reading, it shows that you have the ability to draft, to make a contract of your choice, and the time is right away. Please have a picture of these three cards. These are the best cards if you talk about oracles. These are the best card combinations. And please do share if you like this reading. Do subscribe and put on the notifications. And I love all comments. Please put the comment in the below box below if you like. Thank you, and I have a lovely month ahead.